In this video guide, I will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Parental URL Blockers. The developers of this extension indicate that it can stop sites according to the black URL list. Maybe this feature is helpful for some categories of people, but the trouble with this extension is that often it goes integrated with some free applications. So in most of the cases, people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, it may also display a lot of notifications, a lot of unwanted advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So we recommend you to remove this extension immediately by accessing the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension. This should fix the issue, but I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.